In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide related products in WooCommerce. If you've ever wanted a streamlined product page in your WooCommerce store, this tutorial is for you. We're going to keep it simple and effective, ensuring your product pages look exactly the way you want them to. Let's begin by accessing your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your website. Once you're logged in, it'll serve as the main navigation point for everything you need to adjust on your site. At this point, you're looking for a way to suppress those often cluttered related products from displaying on your WooCommerce product pages. From your dashboard, you'll need to navigate to Appearance. This section is where you can change all the visual aspects of your WordPress site. It's a space where you have control over everything from themes to widgets. By accessing this, we're one step closer to changing the look and feel of your WooCommerce store. Once you're in the Appearance section, you'll see an option for Customize. Go ahead and click that. The Customize menu is a powerful tool that allows you to fine-tune the design of your site in real time. It provides you with a live preview of your site as you make changes, so you can see what different tweaks and adjustments will look like before you publish them. Next, you'll want to find and click on Additional CSS. This area is specifically for adding custom code that can alter the appearance and behavior of your website beyond what the usual settings offer. CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets, is the language used to style elements on your website. By inserting your custom CSS here, you'll efficiently target specific aspects of your site without affecting the underlying functionality. Now, let's talk about the actual code you need to paste here to hide related products. It's important to make sure you have the right code ready. With the code in your clipboard, simply paste it into the Additional CSS box. The great thing about CSS is that it's non-destructive and easily reversible. So, if you're ever unsure about any changes you make, you can remove them, and your site will revert to its previous state. Once you've pasted the code, you should notice that related products are no longer displayed on any of your product pages. It's an efficient and clean way to ensure your customers' focus remains solely on the products they're interested in without other potentially distracting elements. Finally, don't forget to hit Publish to save these changes. This is a crucial step, as simply pasting the code isn't enough. You'll want to ensure everything is saved correctly to see the changes implemented on the live site. By the end of this simple process, your WooCommerce store should have a cleaner, more focused product display that matches your vision. And that's it. You've successfully hidden related products on your WooCommerce site. Remember, these adjustments can greatly enhance your customers' shopping experience by keeping their attention exactly where it should be. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for other great tips on optimizing your WordPress site.